Matter. Matter is just a perception. All matter is different types or different states or different types and states of cohesive energy. That's all it is. Okay, it's not. When you look at matter, all you're seeing is energy in a different form. Okay, that's a a whole lot of things I can get into with that to explain it, but take it for granted. That's what you're looking at, and that's why you should be able to use certain fields to make things like, for example, where you can walk through them. Okay, so like if you have a wall and it looks solid and you want to walk through it, if you apply a certain type of field to it, where all the atoms and the molecules they're all loosely associated with each other now because they're in a certain type of field. They're all still cohesive, but they're loosely associated, but they're still going to keep their cohesiveness, their relationship to each other. Theoretically, if you could take it as a human, you could walk through the wall and your mass would keep its cohesive relationship to itself. The wall will keep its cohesive relationship to it because it's still all the same forms of matter, but you'd be able to move that matter through each other. Sort of like if you poured hydrogen into a glass and you see it pouring out of the bottom of the glass because it's going through the glass molecules because it's smaller. Not exactly the same, but you get the idea. They're still going to keep their own mass states to themselves, but in the sense of solid matter that we know it, if you use the field to loosen things up to where they would still keep cohesive to each other, but loosen up enough to pass by each other, and you turn off the field and they become more cohesive, theoretically you could use it to walk through walls and then turn everything cohesive again when you turn off the field. One day we may be able to do that without damaging ourselves, but it should be possible.